Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the solution of Laplace equation in spherical polar coordinates. So under this, the next application is solution of potential of a ring. Let us consider a ring of radius a such that the origin of the ring coincides with the center of the axis. So this point is center of the ring as well as origin of the coordinate system. Let us consider a point P which is at a distance r from the center of the ring, such that our aim is to calculate what is the potential at point P due to this charged ring. So a charge of plus q is distributed over this ring. So the point P at a distance r from O, and this A is the origin of radius of this ring. So from this right angle triangle, let us consider this point as A. The distance between this A and the circumference of the circle and the point P is root of a square plus r square. Then the potential at point P is generally written as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by distance. So here distance is the distance from A to P, that is q by AP. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by root of a square plus r square. But in spherical polar coordinate system, so here we have considered the quantity in what are spherical polar coordinates are theta and phi. So here we have considered only two coordinates r and theta. Here phi is constraint. So we already derived the solution for Laplace equation in spherical polar coordinates as v is equal to sigma L is equal to 0 to infinite AL r power L plus BL r power minus of L plus 1 into PL of cos theta C1 e power plus r minus I am phi. So here we should not consider the phi term. So this is the solution. But we got the expression at point P is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by root of a square plus r square. So here the unknown terms are AL and BL. These are the coefficients, unknown coefficients. So here there are some conditions. So this point P is at a distance r from the origin and A is the radius of the ring. The first condition is when r is less than a, that is the distance from origin to point P is less than the radius of the ring, then this 1 by root of a square plus r square is written as a square plus r square whole power minus 1 by 2. So if we take the term a square common, then a square whole power minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by a 1 plus r square by a square whole power minus 1 by 2. This is 1 by root of a square plus r square. When r is less than a, this can be expanded as 1 by a 1 minus 1 by 2 r square by a square plus 1 by 2 into 3 by 4 r power 4 by a power 4 plus and so on. If r is greater than a, then this can be expanded as 1 plus a by r minus 1 by 2 a cube by r cube plus 1 by 2 into 3 by 4 a power 5 by r power 5 plus and so on. This is when r is less than a. When this r is greater than a, this term can be expanded like this. So if we substitute these values in this equation. Please note down these equations. If you substitute these values, we get for r less than a, v is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q. So when r is less than a, this term is 1 by a. Same terms, 1 minus 1 by 2 r square by a square plus 1 by 2 3 by 4 r power 4 by a power 4 plus and so on. When r is greater than a, we can write these terms as v is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by a. So here these terms are different. A by r minus 1 by 2 a cube by r cube. So here all are, this is r power 0, r square, r power 4. These are all even terms. These are odd terms. A power 1 a cube plus 1 by 2 into 3 by 4 a power 5 by r power 4 plus and so on. If you write down the solution, v is equal to sigma l is equal to 0 to infinite al r power l plus bl r power minus of l plus 1 into pl of cos theta. Consider this r less than a condition. In r less than a condition, we will have r power 0, r square, r power 4. So all are r power terms. So for r is less than a, al terms are present. There are no r power minus terms. So that is bl terms are, all bl coefficients are 0. When r is greater than a, so we have r power minus 1, r power minus 3, r power minus 4. That is bl coefficients are present, whereas al coefficients are 0. So al coefficients are there for r is less than a and bl is equal to 0. And for r is greater than a, bl coefficients are present, al coefficients are 0. Then in final, we can write the solution as v is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Sorry, the general solution is according to solution of Laplace equation al b power l, al r power l plus bl r power minus of l plus 1 into pl of cos theta. So here we have not considered the Legendre polynomial pl of cos theta. So let us include this polynomial also in this equation. Then for r greater than a, r less than a, the potential is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by a. So here this is r power 0, r square, r power 4. So simply p naught of cos theta minus 1 by 2 r square by a square p2 of cos theta plus 1 by 2 into 3 by 4 p4 of cos theta plus and so on. This is the final solution. Next, for r greater than a, v is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon q by a by r, p1 of cos theta. So since this is r power minus 1, next minus 1 by 2 a cube by r cube p3 of cos theta plus 1 by 2 into 3 by 4 1 by 2 into 3 by 4 a power 5 by r power 5 p5 of cos theta and so on. This is the potential of a ring by the solution of Laplace equation in spherical polar coordinates.